If you're seeing this error when you're trying to use FaceTime, choose another phone number or email to call and then someone's name, your contact's name. It is an issue with your FaceTime settings. So cancel out of that call to end it or tap OK and then cancel out of the call and then go to your settings. On the main settings list, go down to apps and then tap on F on the right hand side or scroll down to the F section and then tap on FaceTime. Here, you need to turn FaceTime on. When this is turned on, we can now go to FaceTime, tap on video call, and it starts the video call. There's no error message. There's my hand right there on the screen. And then you will not have that error anymore, and you can make FaceTime calls with video as you did before. Something else important is when we turn this toggle on, there's actually more settings that appear, but they don't appear until we leave the screen and then come back. So if we exit the FaceTime screen here, go back into it, we see all these extra settings that we can go through and customize how FaceTime works on our phones. And if you have value from my videos, consider joining the channel membership for extra perks. There is a button right down below this video called Join. Tap on that to see what the perks are, and it helps me keep making these videos for free on YouTube. So I appreciate you checking that out. And if you want more space on your phone, this is the video you should watch next. And if you have value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.